Hey everyone, so Good Molecules just sent me some stuff to try and I want to share what I got with you guys. Good Molecules is a brand that's backed by science. They have affordable prices where people all around the world are able to try them. Good Molecules can be purchased. You can purchase them from their website, goodmolecules.com. You can also purchase them from beautylish.com and ulta.com. What I like about the brand is I was able to customize a skincare routine for my skin type. But I've been hearing about Good Molecules from some of my friends, co-workers, and they've all raved about the products and talked about how great they were. So when Good Molecules reached out to me, I was super excited because I have been using other skincare brands and they just haven't been working for me. Well, I'm going to test these products out for 2 weeks and see if they do anything for my skin. As of right now, I am having hormonal breakouts. I suffer from discoloration. I also have eczema. So these are the products that Good Molecules sent to me. I received the Glycolic Brightening Toner, the Discoloration Correcting Serum, the Niacinamide Brightening Toner, the Overnight Exfoliating Treatment, and I also got the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. So we're going to test these products for 2 weeks. We're going to walk through what each product does, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we're going to get up close and personal. I typically have eczema breakouts around the mouth area, so you can kind of see this is one of my more sensitive areas. Right here, there's a lot of discoloration. I do have some breakouts in this area, definitely hormonal. And so we're gonna go ahead and try some of these products. I am gonna go ahead and get started with my cleanser. Didn't receive a cleanser in this skincare routine, so I'm definitely going to use my cleanser that I already use. It's a liquid soap that's very mild because I do have sensitive skin, and so I'm gonna go ahead and just basically use that cleanser. Alrighty, skin is all cleansed. So one of the products that I was sent was the Niacinamide toner. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna shake it up and then you're going to use it on a cotton pad or a cotton ball. I like the fact that the products do come sealed. So you can just pop that seal off, put a little bit on the cotton pad, and then you're just going to put this all over your face. And my skincare routine typically consists of a cleanser, toner, and a moisturizer. So as you can see, skin is very cleansed, toned. All right, so now that I've toned, I'm gonna go in with the Discoloration Correcting Serum, and you're gonna shake it up, pump a little bit into the dropper. Going to drop some down on my skin and just go ahead and work that in. And I'm only gonna put it like in the cheek area because you can see I have like some discoloration there and over here. And then next, I'm going to follow with my moisturizer. Right, so now because I have got, I've done my cleanser, my toner, my serum, my moisturizer, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for work. And then I will be back to show you guys my nighttime routine. Well, hello again, friends. It is currently 9:53 p.m. and as you can see, my makeup has been on all day. We're even missing some on the chin and the foundation has oxidized, but that is not why we're here. So we're gonna go ahead and start this nighttime routine. I'm gonna go ahead and take my lashes off because they need to come off. And then we're gonna go ahead and start with my nighttime cleanser, and I'm just gonna go ahead and remove some of this makeup. My skin is cleansed. We're gonna go ahead and tone. This time I'm going to use a different toner. So this is the glycolic toner. This one can be used daytime and nighttime. So I'm kind of excited about that because this one might be a little bit more, this one is an exfoliating toner. So you're just gonna put a little bit on a cotton pad, and we're gonna go ahead and just tone my skin. All right, so next what we wanna do is we wanna go in and we wanna moisturize. So I was sent the Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. This is a nighttime treatment. So it says to warm a few drops between the palm of your hands and gently press it in the skin. And you're going to use this under your moisturizer. So we're going to put a few drops. This is what it looks like, and we're going to go ahead and just rub that in. And then I want to press this into my skin. And I like how good and clean my skin looks, especially the exfoliating toner. It just made my skin feel extra clean after I went back in. You guys saw the cotton pad just removed any extra makeup that was on there, but I'm loving this oil. Like, yeah. So next I'm just gonna follow with my nighttime moisturizer. So I will see you guys over the course of the next 2 weeks. You will see me pop in and out with this skincare routine, and then we will come back with our final review. Good night. All right, day 2. Little update on my skin. I'm gonna show you what it's looking like so far. All right, so I have some discoloration down at the bottom. I also have the hormonal acne, as you can see, and I have some dark spots that just need to be color corrected. So again, this is only day 2 of the actual new skincare regimen, and I don't absolutely love it and I don't absolutely hate it. It's too early to tell a difference whether or not it is helping. But what I do know is I love the oil. So I noticed instant hydration in my skin as of last night, and I loved it. So I know it says that you're only supposed to use that in the nighttime, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this oil daytime and nighttime because my skin just absolutely needs it. Now, what I may do is cut out one of the toners because I don't feel like I necessarily have to do 2 toners. So I think what I'm going to do is, because I am suffering more from the dark spots, as you can see at the bottom, I am going to go in and just use the Niacinamide brightening toner. And maybe once I run through this, I will continue with the exfoliating toner. But I feel like right now, because my skin is starting to flare up, and that is not Good Molecules' fault, that is due to my eczema and my body. So I'm going to just use that toner alone. But again, this is only day 2. So I'll see you guys later on in the week. I probably won't do much more talking. I'll probably just show you guys just me updating, you know, checking in every now and then. And then we'll be back, of course, with a reveal of the skin on week 2. Hey everyone, it is Sunday, July the 3rd. I am doing my 1 week check-in using the Good Molecules skincare. So, you know, I had to come in and update you guys. So this is what it's giving. Like, look at my skin. My skin looks really, really good. And I'm really, really excited that I pretty much am giving everything time. I wanted you guys to see there's no smoke and mirrors. Like, this skincare, I have been using this serum, the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. I have been using this religiously. I use it daytime, I use it nighttime, and look how much I still, if you guys can even see, like, I still have a full bottle to say that I've been going strong with this for a week so far. I absolutely love the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. You guys can pretty much see that my skin looks very well hydrated, and the areas that were like getting really dark and dry down here are pretty much clear. So I am really loving the way that this looks. I'm going to check in with you guys sometime later this week, and then we'll just come back with the final results. But so far, so good. Hey guys, it is Wednesday, August the 2nd, and I am still in my Good Molecules era. So I'm still using the skincare, but right now I'm getting ready to go in with the toner since I've already pretty much washed my face. This is the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. It is absolutely amazing. I have noticed a difference in my skin. I know you guys saw the video of the last update, my last check-in, and I'm still using it and I still like it. I'm still using the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. I'm using it daytime and nighttime. Now, if your skin is super oily, then this is basically a step that you can just use at night. I know you are supposed to rub a little bit of it in your fingers, but I mean, doing it this way is not going to hurt at all. But I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you know that so far things are going well. My last check-in with you guys with the skincare is going to be on this upcoming Sunday. So just so you can see what my skin is looking like. You guys remember I had a lot of breakouts down in this area. So far they are cleared up. Just from I have the worst lighting in this bathroom, like the absolute worst lighting. So this is just like, look at my skin. My skin looks very, very good, healthy, bright. And so, like I said, my last check-in is going to be on Sunday, and I will let you guys draw your own conclusion Sunday. So I'll see you guys then. Hey guys, so this is my last and final check-in. We are going to do a skin check. I'm going to show you how amazing my skin looks. I am so happy with the results. So Good Molecules is an amazing brand that I think that it's perfect for anyone to try. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful. I did it over a course of 2 weeks, like the directions said. I did my check-ins, and overall, I am just super happy with my results. So you can see breakouts gone. Of course, you can see my freckles. I'm absolutely happy with the results of my skin. I feel like the hydration is definitely back. Not too much redness. The oil, hands down, if you don't get anything else from this line, I think that you should get the oil. It is amazing. So that is it. That is all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, sticking it out, and thugging it out with me. If you have not already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Join my beautiful online family, and I definitely will see you guys in my next video. If there's a particular skincare brand that you are currently using, please drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know. I'd love to hear about it. Maybe it's a brand that I haven't tried before. I love trying new things. So I will see you guys later. I hope that you have the most amazing day.